One of the toughest parts about being an attorney is that when it comes to online reviews, you are still held to the obligations of attorney-client privilege. If a client decides to go and just say the most positive thing they can on your Google reviews, you can't say anything that violates that attorney-client privilege. And that line is actually drawn at any comment, anything that you would say, which if someone else read it, would know that you represented this person as a lawyer. Even if it's clear from the client's review that you were their lawyer, you can't say something that would acknowledge that you were in fact their lawyer. And it goes the same for bad reviews. If someone just absolutely smears you, says how bad of a lawyer you were, you can't go and respond to that review and say, by the way, these were the things that were wrong with your case, and I know you're upset, but unfortunately these were the facts. You can't do that. All you can do when you see a bad review is at best go and just talk about that topic in general without acknowledging anything about that person's case or the fact that they were or weren't a client of yours. And lawyers have a lot of issues with this, but the bar will generally advise them if you say something that acknowledges your representation of them, positive or negative, that could be a violation. You could find yourself in ethical hot water.